Hello everyone, welcome to Management Kaksha, a one-stop solution for all your management related queries. In today's video, we will be talking about the Administrative Management Theory by Henry Fayol. The contents of this video are meaning of administrative management, features of administrative management, application of administrative management, and advantages and disadvantages of administrative management theory. Meaning of administrative management. Administrative management theory, which is also widely known as the 14 principles of management, were given by Henry Fayol. Fayol was a French mining engineer and an industrialist whose contributions towards management were immense. The administrative management theory focuses on creating a formalized administrative structure by developing a proper hierarchy of authority and deciding the key functions and responsibilities through proper division of labor within the organization. Fayol focused on how the management of the organization is structured and how well the individuals in the organization are organized to accomplish the tasks given to them. Fayol's theory, which is still considered reliable, is applicable in even today's managing environments. Features of administrative management. The first one is formalized administrative structure. Under administrative management theory, there was a clear view of the hierarchy of authority right from the top management to the bottom management, and the roles and responsibilities of all the workers, including the supervisors, were clearly defined. The next feature is division of labor. So this feature is something which was similar even in the scientific management theory. So under division of labor, the workers are allocated tasks based on the skills and qualifications that enable obtaining optimum efficiency. The third feature is proper information flow. So as there is a formalized administrative structure, the flow of information for decision making within the organization is very clear. There is a free flow of information in both the directions, right from top management to bottom management and from the lower level management to the top level management. And there is a free flow of information between the supervisors and workers. The fourth feature is defining roles and responsibilities. So in administrative management, as we already spoke about, there is a clear description of the tasks that every worker has to perform. The fifth feature is official record. So as this is administrative management theory, obviously it involves maintaining a systematic record of each business activity of an organization. Applications of administrative management. The applications of administrative management are basically based on the 5 functions of management, which are of planning, organizing, directing, staffing, and controlling. The first application is setting goals. This talks about the planning function. The targets of the organization are set to identify a clear plan of action for the accomplishment of goals of the organization. The second application is establishing standards. In administrative management theory, there are a set of standards established to provide value to the stakeholders. The tasks or the performances of the employees are all based on achieving these already set standards to ensure that the products or services are produced of acceptable quality. The third application is performance management. The theory of administrative management ensures that all activities are going efficiently in the right direction for achievement of goals. This is done by continuously evaluating, monitoring and correcting the employee performances. The fourth application is of budget control and cost management. This is again a controlling function where the management strategy is to keep an eye on all financial transactions taking place. It decides an appropriate budget for accomplishing the projects undertaken and ensures that all activities are within the limits of pre-allocated budget. The fifth application is leadership development. Effective administrative management strategy focuses on developing leadership qualities among team members. It aims to promote leaders from within the organization that are helpful in raising the productivity of the organization. The sixth application is team building. There has to be a sense of unity and harmony among the team members working in the organization. Team building results in developing better relationships among the team members and also developing loyalty towards the company. Advantages of administrative management. The first advantage is healthy financial situation. This is focused on maintaining all expenses within the decided budget. All the finances of the company are supervised and it is ensured that there is no wastage of money, which helps in maintaining a healthy financial situation. The second advantage is of higher productivity. High productivity is achieved by carefully selecting the members of team and assigning them tasks according to their capabilities that leads to faster results and higher productivity. The third advantage is facilitates acquiring goals. According to this theory, every policy in the organization is framed after critical analysis of business projects that leads to better actions and easy achievement of desired targets. Fourth advantage is data-based decisions. Administrative management theory avoids the basis of any assumption in decision-making process. All decisions are taken on the basis of information gathered related to past and present activities of the organization and also considering the future perspective. The fifth advantage is it improves employees and customer satisfaction. Employee satisfaction is enhanced by properly allocating them work as per their skills, and when the employees are motivated, it results in their improved performance and overall quality of work, which in turn leads to increased customer satisfaction. Disadvantages of administrative management theory. First one is it is management oriented. So this theory is strategic management oriented theory and it does not give any attention to the issues of workers, which means that if the human behavior is completely ignored, it will have adverse effects over the performance of company. So this is one of the limitation of administrative management theory. The second is the concepts are borrowed from military science. The concepts such as unity of command, unity of direction, etc. are borrowed from military science, which not necessarily have a successful application in the management. Third one is it ignores environmental changes. It does not consider environmental changes which have a major impact over the organization. So, which means to say that this theory has very limited application in dynamic and complex environments. The fourth one is it has a mechanical approach. Administrative management theory has limited utility in modern management concepts such as communication, leadership, and motivation. Another disadvantage is it deals with formal structure. It completely ignores the informal structure of the organization, and it does not give any attention to the non-formal groups of the organization. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to Management Kaksha.